Flip the unit over and unscrew 9 captive screws. Gently insert the opener pick between the palm rest and the bottom cover, and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Remove 4 4.5mm screws from the battery. Lift up to pull the battery free from the adhesive tape. Unplug the battery from the motherboard. Replace the battery and plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the 4 4.5mm screws back into the battery. Replace the bottom cover and push down to secure it. Tighten the 9 captive screws.